Would you like to learn how to make some super yummy mixed cabbage in the Instapot like this? You would? Good, because in this episode of the Lisa D's Delight Show, I'm going to show you how to do it.
Lisa D Delight.
Here are a few things that you'll need for this Instapot mixed cabbage recipe, but the exact ingredient list and measurements and such will be in the description box below. Let me show you the easiest way to cut up a cabbage. First, you want to just cut off the bottom of it, just like so, and then cut it right on in half, and then proceed to cut the core off of the bottom part, like this and like that. Then pull the core piece right on out. Then turn it over and slice it all up in one direction like so. Then turn it around and slice it in the other direction. Easy peasy. Now I've got my smoked turkey leg in the pressure cooker. You can use any type of smoked meat that you would like. And then just add the green cabbage and the purple cabbage right on in, as well as some onions, multicolored bell peppers, and celery. Now I'm going in with some ASIL, which is my own all-purpose seasoning. You can grab you some with the link pinned in the comments section, but if you don't have it, just use some seasoned salt, onion powder, and garlic powder, and black pepper. I'm also adding a packet of pork bouillon. That gives you that pork flavor without the actual pork, if you know what I mean. And also 1 packet of salad and vegetable seasoning. And a pinch of sugar. No, it won't make it sweet. Shut your face. Now put you some garlic up in that bad boy. Also add 2 bay leaves and some pimento seeds. A splash of vinegar ain't never hurt nobody. And chicken broth cannot be left out the party. Then give it a good mix and press as best as you can. And then cook the cabbage for 35 minutes on high pressure. After 35 minutes, let it do a natural release, and then it's done.
Lisa got them dishes, that's delightful when she cook. Guarantee you if you visit, you subscribe and if she cook. Double take a second look, and she don't need no book. The kitchen female, she complete, I get the vibe when she cook. Let her cook, no mission. With Lisa in the kitchen, ain't no meal that ain't delightful. I'm just saying for future reference. I think I want some seconds, but I ain't tried. That food was made with blessings, like man, that was fire. Let her cook, let her cook, let her cook, cause she gon' whip it up, hey.
This mixed cabbage came out so good. I hope you try and like the recipe. After all, I was just trying to help your palate. God bless you. Bye-bye.
Lisa got them dishes, that's delightful when she cook. Guarantee you if you